Hello, Eric Barrett here. I just walked up a flight of stairs to 630 Cabrillo. This is a roommate situation. Here is the common area, nice big TV, huge ceilings, big bean bag for comfort. The other shared space is the kitchen. I enjoy a gas range, stainless refrigerator, lots of counter space, which is really nice. There's two other people that are living here. So you definitely have a lot of counter space to spread out and multiple people cook. And you have a wonderful dishwasher, microwave, and lots of cabinet space to store your food. Going out the back door, you have a nice big backyard. And most importantly, this is your room. All right, what do we got here? We got desks, lots of furniture to store your clothes, shelving for pictures and artwork. And we do have the picture railing. And then we have a nice big, looks like a queen or a full-size bed, which is really nice. And you just have a beautiful view out the back onto the greenery. And closet space is important. So let's take a look at this. All right, amazing. All right, so the best part about this, there's so many good things about this property, this apartment, but one of the really key features is you are directly across the street from Safeway. So late night, you need a drink or a soda or some snacks, you can just go right across the street. All right, thank you very much.